Hey guys, gals, it's Quintus Hegie again, Master Hypnotist with my skills mind training, and I'm a Master Hypnotist mainly for where I coach location independent entrepreneurs, or entrepreneurs who are starting to do that, breaking free from the limiting beliefs, from things that are holding them back in their mind, unfuck their minds, so to say, and to get a better life, more success, more achieving more, which often results in business as more profits and more revenues. I'll talk about now in this video about that for my hypnosis, I'm not doing any entertaining hypnosis. Now, some of you are like, but wait, Quintus, I saw you last time, I saw you at this nice event, congress, whatever, and you were giving this group workshop and it was nice and entertaining form. So how can it be that you say to me now that you're not an entertainment or stage hypnotist? I will explain you now. In the work that I do, I focus on specific niches, specific areas, specific people, target audiences. They are, firstly, they're entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs where you are director of your life, you're building something, location independent, you are the business, and I help you with my mind training to help you achieve if you're limiting, something is holding you back from your mind. Now, that's not entertainment, that's not stage hypnosis. I can be on stage for that, and when you listen to me, that's probably then it's like a conference or congress or event at a business setting, but I'm not doing stage hypnosis. I'm not doing entertainment. I'm very serious about it. I'm here to help you and to guide you to fix the things in your head so that you can achieve the goal that you agreed upon with me. So I'm not doing entertainment. We sit together and we have an intake. We say, okay, this is what I'm experiencing, this is where I want to go. How can you help me achieve that? And the problem is somewhere in my mind. Can you help me, Quintus, Master Hypnotist? Sure, I can help you. That is not entertainment. It's real, it's working, it's training, it's effective. So if you go home after the evening, it's not like you went to the movies. Oh, that was a great movie, now let's forget it and move on with my life. No, you will change, you will develop, you will grow. It's coaching I'm doing here. Sometimes a bit of consulting maybe, but it's coaching. I'm really helping you get your results, get your change. Yeah? Cool? Great. Secondly, I go to the stage and you see me on the stage at the introduction workshop. So if you have a company or a congress or event and you're looking for something nice to add to your company training or event or a conference, like it's like a developers conference, maybe it's like a marketing conference or sales conference, maybe it's a Comic Con or manga or whatever kind of specialistic conference on tantra or temples, events, retreats, those things. Am I showing up there? I'm looking good with a nice bow tie. Am I there for entertainment? I'm not there for entertainment. I'm on the stage and you're listening to me. We're doing exercise, but I'm not entertaining you. I'm no stage hypnotist, and I won't be doing that. Instead, I'll be giving workshops, I'll be giving group workshops, so we will actively do something. I will give you, like, in the situations, I won't be just talking and you'll be listening. No, we will work together in the group, and then maybe you didn't pay, but your company paid for it, that's fine. But it's a training. I'm giving you an experience that you can really use also after that moment. So, for example, in a developers conference, I learn you to solve computer problems faster and more easier. So after the workshop, which is not entertainment, it is entertaining because I like to add elements that make it like nice and fun and to do, but I'm not doing stage hypnosis. I'm not doing things to make people laugh. How does that look? I'm not here to turn people into chickens. If you want to be a chicken, we can do it, but I'm not doing it. I'm giving a workshop. I'm giving training. You will benefit from this. You will grow from this. After the workshop, you will have a new skill learned that you can use for the rest of your life. This is not entertainment. I give it in an entertaining form, but it is a training. So it's very valuable difference. Now, there's nothing wrong with stage hypnosis, and if you want stage hypnosis, I can refer you. I have in my network some very good stage hypnotists. It's really awesome and nice, and I've been attending some of them myself as well. They are fun, they are nice, and they have their thing. With me, you get a workshop, not a stage show. It's no show that I'm giving. Thirdly, some of you know, my third focus area is more in the sensuality setting. Now, there with the sensuality setting, we're talking about masculinity, femininity, energy, helping there. Tantra, we have these getting togethers exist there. When they work one-on-one, of course, it's not getting together in a bigger group. But I can also be at these kind of more group events, like the retreats, etc. I can be showing up there, participating there, giving there trainings and workshops. But I'm not giving any entertainment. I'm not giving stage hypnosis. It's fun, it's playful, but it's there to grow, develop, learn, and be more in touch with yourself, with your body, with your senses, with your energy and chakras. So it's not entertainment. It can be a hell of a lot of fun, especially when we talk about the erotic hypnosis and the sensual hypnosis. This can be a hell of a lot of playful fun. I mean, this is really fun, and this can be really, really nice to play with, and it's playful. But at the same time, I'm not giving any shows. I'm not giving any stage hypnosis. It's not a show. I'm doing it because I want you to grow, I want you to develop, and in these tantric retreats, settings, and temples, it's fun, it's pleasurable, and it's for your growth, for your connection, for being a better man, primal women. You will benefit from this. You will learn, you will grow, you will discover more about yourself, what you like, what you don't like. So it's not entertainment. It's not that you go home after the evening and, well, that was a nice show. No, I'm not doing any hypnosis shows. I can be on stage, but it's always with me. It's playful, it's fun, it's interactive, it's challenging. That it is, for sure, but it's always for me to help you learn, to help you grow, so that you, after the session, after the workshop, you have improved something about yourself. You discovered something about yourself. It's always that way with me. If you want something else, it's available, but not with me. Okay? Cool?